channel. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great in your lives, because after 8 all the braces has been started working. I hope to get back to my college as soon as possible and just resume my study, because I haven't seen my friends in a long time. I think 3 months, and that's a lot of time, especially. So today we are going to be talking about 10 things that you need in this summer, because this summer is going to be harsh. I'm in Patna right now and I'm sweating because I can't use cooler or AC or fan, because it just makes sounds and that is not feasible for video. It just picks up that video and I just don't like it. So I'm not giving an excuse that you should be appraising, but appraising just by subscribing that bell button and subscribing to my channel would be enough appraising for me to do this video over and over again. So today we are going to be talking about 10 things that you need this summer. I wouldn't be talking about any product. These are basically a little bit of makeup products, but a lot of skincare, a lot of things that you really need this time. So let's get started. So first, I think everybody out there needs this is Biotic Sunscreen Bio Carrot 40 SPF UVA and UV. I like this one, and also I have been using this Nutrido sunscreen with also SPF 40. So personally, this is a little light and this is very thick. I think when I apply it to my face, it's a thick one. I can make you see that. This is what it comes. It's like very thick, very thick, and when it comes, you can easily see that this is thick. Not that thick, but yeah, this is much more liquidy. So it depends on your preference that what would you like. A little bit thicker moisturizer wouldn't be a problem, especially for me for dry skin, but it is a little bit sticky than normal. So if you wanna use it, just use a little bit at a time. Don't pump 3 or 4 pumps at a time. Just use on that small. So this you can use a lot, but it's gonna look a little bit like, what is the word? Oily kind of. For me, dry skin as oily. My face is oily. I love that part. And that's why I am inspired by that. I like to do my face like that. I can't do anything with that. Next. So another thing, aloe vera. You can use it for faces. You can use it on your body. You can use it on your hair. I use this just to make my face look. I love this product. Even if you have sunburn, aloe vera calms it down and makes sure that if you use it regularly, it's gonna take care of your sunburns as well as it's gonna make your face hydrated but not sticky. So I really like this product. Next we have lip balms. Yes. I don't know what happened this summer, especially my lips were not that dry in summer. In winter they are like dry as Sahara Desert. I just can't get over this product. This is actually Himalayas natural moisturizing lip butter. This works wonders. I know many of us can't just afford that Linnaeus sleeping mask that is for $700 for this. I can't afford that, so I think all of my viewers, I don't think you can. If you want to, you can obviously invest in it, but 700 rupees for a lip mask, I don't think it's gonna, for me it's not worth it. So this is a closed loop for that. I haven't used that, but I have seen a lot of YouTubers talking about that, and I know this works same. My lips are dry as hell in winters, and this works. Like I used to apply it in the night, and when I used to wake up, my lips are plump. My lips are smooth as hell. You can say that. So this I highly recommend. Other than that, Nivea lip balm every girl has in one of the variant in his backpack or packets. I think other than that, if we are going to talk about again skincare, sheet masks. I think sheet masks are a little bit pricey than a regular mask, but I think these, especially of Nykaa's skin I think these work best for me, especially hyaluronic acid, and for this works good. I have done like face video with that. I will be uploading it on my Instagram. So if you want to see whatever my life works apart from this video, you can always just go to my Instagram and follow me right there. That the link is down below, or the Instagram handle will be there. So I have used it. I loved it. I haven't used it, but I'm gonna use it, and I'm sure that's gonna work a lot great. So after that, body mist. This is essential in summer. I use this Dove Original Body Mist. I love it. I'm gonna like this works so well, especially for the girls who have ordered. I know it just cast a little bit white, just you're gonna blend it up and that's gonna be fine, but for the price this works very good, especially for the odor, not for the like it doesn't give you a lot of fragrance, but for the odor it is very good. Again, body wash. I know I am a dry skin girl, not everybody applies especially creams on the body, but I would just recommend you to try this Parachute Advanced Body Lotion Coconut Mint Spray. There is also a gel of Parachute Gel, I think body gel, that also goes wonder. I have used it and I really love it. I'm gonna buy that again, especially for the summer. It works wonders. It is not sticky, it just sinks in your body like that warm light gel. It works like that, but for the body. So you can use it or that as per your life. After that, there are few makeup bits you can say. First is wipes. Wipes. I know everybody is talking about taking care of them. If you are in summer and if you really need it, like really need it, you can use a wipe. Especially, I do sweat a lot. I don't sweat a lot, but when it is really humid, I sweat a lot. So I use wipe, not on a daily basis, but sometimes I just need that freshness. I don't want to carry this bottle of like fresher everywhere. I just want to carry a single wipe or two wipe in my bag. So I do carry it. I'm trying to minimize it, but I have just started. So give me a little bit of time and I'm going to minimize it. But right now I think everybody needs. And you can see there are many wipes that are actually biodegradable. So you can just go for that, or for the cheaper option, you can just use sparingly a little bit and not to harm the environment that much. Okay, now next is BB cream. I think BB cream works because I don't think anybody wants to use that heavy foundation everywhere they go. So I don't use BB cream, but just to make sure that my face is even color, not like this patches, that patches, there is black, there is. I don't like that. So I just want to be an even tone. That is what BB cream does. So for that I have just reviewed it and I really liked it. So this is Olivia Liquid Foundation. It is very affordable. It is just for 100 rupees and you get 28 milliliters. So I think for whole summer you can easily use it. You can use one layer just to make sure that it is even, and you can use the second layer to make it beautiful. So if you want to use it for second layer, you can easily build it up and just make sure that you have a little bit coverage. It doesn't cake. Best part, it doesn't cake. So yeah, it clings to your dry patches. So just make sure that, I'm sorry, my home is at highway. Okay, so everywhere there is, everywhere, and even in night, day, morning, evening, every time. So I'm sorry for the sound. So yeah, talking about this, I think that works wonders. So I think you should try it just for $100. Next, waterproof mascara. I'm not the believer of waterproof mascara. Those who have problem with like lashes not just dripping down your eyes, you can use a waterproof mascara. I have used the Lash Sensational mascara in that, but my favorite, it is not waterproof but it works wonders. I love it. I don't have the problem of clumping or just smearing around. I don't have the problem. I've used it for like 12 to 15 hours and it stayed. It stayed like a waterproof mascara, but it is very easy to remove it because let's be straight with us. Waterproof mascara is pain in your to remove. So I think This Colossal mascara, I got it for 301 rupees. That's very affordable for that, and I love it. I literally love. My lashes are like literally very nice. I love this mascara. And last but not least, this is a face powder. You can see that how bad I am. That is Maybelline Pretty face powder. So I have in this shade, that's light beige. And in the shade light beige. So this is very affordable. I got it on Amazon just for like 118, 120 rupees depending on offer number. Even if it is not an offer, it's for like 199 rupees. I think it's great. Adds a little bit of coverage, but makes your face matte. My face couldn't be matte with that because when it is humidity, my face just shines like shit. Let's be honest. For me, I'm honest. I'm being honest with you. So this works for every. It is very affordable. It gets the jobs and you can easily carry it in your purse, and it looks sleek. It really looks sleek. It has a mirror and a puff that I would never use. I just hate puff. Whatever. So this was the last product. I think you need it for hair and there touch-ups. I love it. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you all liked it. I know you will be seeing you were wearing the same t-shirt in the last video. I get comments on that, but I shoot 2 videos in a day, so don't come for me for that. So I don't really want to change because it's very soon. I'm sweating to death right now, but that's all fine. If you all like this video, I think I have given you a little rundown of everything you would need in summer. So with all, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me. I am just trying to do the best I can right now because I have been traveling here and there. I was with my relatives that place for 2 months, and then I'm back at my place. I haven't bought a lot of makeup, but it is coming slowly, and I'm trying to do the best I can for you. So I would really appreciate it. So with that, I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed it. So without enough blabbing, I'm going to say bye. Take care and just be well. Just take care of yourself.